In this problem, we want to sketch a graph that possesses the following characteristics. The function is concave down at the point 1, 5, concave up at the point 7, -2, and has an inflection point at 5, 4. So let's begin by plotting these points. 1, 5, then plotting the point 7, -2, and then the point 5, 4. Now we aren't told anything about any relative extrema, so there are certainly many possible answers to this problem. The important thing is that we change from concave down to concave up at our inflection point. So our inflection point 5, 4, we have to be concave down at this point and then concave up at this point. So here's one possible answer. Notice that at the point 1, 5, we are concave down. The function is concave down at that point. And then at our inflection point here, we go from concave down to then concave up. And so we are concave up at the point 7, -2. So as you can see, there are many possible answers that you could have. The important thing is that you have the concavity where it's supposed to be, and that you change concavity from concave down to concave up at this point.